Hello folks, Clinton Tyler coming here on behalf of Club Cash Fund. And the last video I did was sort of a video just to introduce this new direct mail program that's also online, because when you join you get a link assigned to you, which is right here, and you'll get a back office, access to a back office like this one. And one thing I like about this program is the fact that most any other direct mail program you get involved with, you're going to have to purchase stamps, make copies, purchase envelopes, use your time to prepare whatever it is that you're mailing to go out in the mail and go send it in the mail. So it's a lot of time and money involved in direct mail marketing, and most people stop or quit when the ROI, return on investment, is not more than what you spent promoting the program. So one thing about this program that's different is the fact that you have right here this CCF cash Club Cash Fund home rotator page. And basically what this is this particular link will be plugged into this Club Cash Fund rotator page, and every member that's a part of this program link will be placed. Let's say for instance, if it's 100 people, just imagine a wheel that has 100 links in it, and this wheel rotates based upon people coming to this home page and requesting a free kit. So just as fast as people request kits is as fast as this wheel turns. So if you don't want to promote this link yourself, you can just simply wait on this page to rotate your link around and actually send kits out with your name being in position number 1. You know how powerful that is? First of all, you save money. You didn't have to purchase anything. You don't have to send this kit out. Your name is in the number 1 position. And let's just say, for instance, if you have 5 of these, your link is rotated, say 5 times in a 2-week period, and 5 of those kits are sent out with your name in position number 1, meaning you are going to receive $20 because there's 4 names on each starter kit that goes out. Your name will be in the number 1 position. So say 5 people decide to join. Those people sitting there $80 in. Guess what? Since you were in the number 1 position on all of those kits, you're going to receive $100. Now the beauty of this is when these people do the same thing, say they don't want to promote their link. They want to sit and wait and just wait on their link to get rotated in this homepage rotator. Okay, 5 of those people who join, those 5 people are going to get 5 kits sent out. Use an example that I use with you. So now you have 25 kits that's out there. But guess what? This is the leverage part of it. Now, since you brought those 5 people in, who in turn got 5 people from just simply letting the link get rotated in the rotator, now you have 25 kits out there with your name in the number 2 position. Now you got 25 kits out there with your name in the number 2 position because they went out on the 5 people that originally requested your kit. Your name is now on their kits. So that's 25 that you did nothing to get sent out. You didn't purchase any stamps, any envelopes. You didn't have to go to the post office. The company sends all of those with the self-addressed stamped envelope inside. So it makes it easy for the receiver. All they got to do is put the $80 inside and send it back in. Now you've possibly got $200 coming to you that you did nothing to get but simply let your link get rotated in the homepage rotator. Now that's what I call done for you at its best. But I just want to show you guys, this video may look a little crazy because I cut part of the screen off because I don't want to show all of the information. Let me just click on this My Mailings tab, and you can see this is how it looks. I've got a lot that's blocked off. I've got My Team blocked off, My Money blocked off. It's got a box that shows how much money you saved on mailing, which I've saved $45, which you can't see. But right here it shows the pending mailings. So I just got in, mind you, on March the 15th. And I already have 4 kits that's out with my name in the number 2 position. This is position 1, position 2, and position 3. I have 41 kits out there now with my name in the number 1 spot. I've got 4 kits that, this is meaning already mailed. So 41 kits have already been mailed with my name in the number 1 position. I've got $40 on the way now and a lot more to come. So you will be seeing some proof videos very soon. So there's 41 kits out right now with my name in the number 1 position. 4 kits out now with my name in the number 2 position. 1 kit pending because actually Patrice just got going and her link got rotated in the homepage rotator, and she already has a kit that's going out on her behalf. So my name is in the number 2 spot here. So this is where leverage comes in, folks. When you start getting your name on in the 2nd position, in the 3rd position, because the owner's name is always in the 4th position, which is valid because he's the one that's doing all the work, sending all the kits out. So he deserves to have that position. Like you say, you can see the names. I don't think they mind that, but I'm blocking, part of the address off. And let's just go. And these are when these kits were requested, and this is the date that they were mailed. And you can see all these kits. And you can see right here it says this kit was mailed by way of the CCF homepage rotator. So I did nothing for this one. My link just rotated and it gets to the receiving position, based on how fast and how many people come into the homepage and request kits. So, but me personally, I market my link. I send out emails and, just get my link exposure to make this thing move quicker. But you do not have to do that. That's optional. So as you can see, these are the kits that have been mailed out. And this is working wonderfully. So I just want to show you guys a quick peek of the back office part of it, because half of it is blocked off. Let you guys know you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming up really soon. Possibly one of the proof payments will be in the mail today, but you'll see many videos. I can promise you that. Okay, take care. Clinton Tyler signing out on behalf of CCF Club Cash Fund. Request your free kit today. I'm sickofworking.com. Peace.